If Gros Morne has a showstopper, it's Western Brook Pond, the largest inland fjord in North America, and arguably the park's most breathtaking feature. A 4.5-mile round-trip hike leads you through coastal lowlands to the tour boat concessionaire, where you can board a vessel that glides deep into the fjord's towering cliffs.
5 p.m. And now, the reason that we do know the exact date and time of that there rock slide is because our boat, the Westbrook 3, was just back there by Blue Denim Falls when all that rock came crashing down. There was a huge cloud of dust, a tremendous noise. We had approximately 25 people on board that day, and as you can imagine, they all needed brand new shorts by the time this was over with. Now, this didn't cause much of a disturbance.
By the early 1900s, Newfoundlanders still weren't seeing any moose. It was decided to reintroduce some more. So in 1904, 4 moose were brought here from the Miramichi region of New Brunswick.
The boat tour includes a detailed narration of the fjord's geology, history, and wildlife. It's a surreal experience. Sheer rock walls, waterfalls, and pristine waters that feel untouched by time. During the last ice age, advancing glaciers carved a deep path to the sea.
This waterfall, like all others in the area, is actually insignificant in supplying water to the pond. For its size, Western Brook Pond has very little inflow, and the only outlet is Western Brook.
The immense weight of the ice kept the land submerged, but when the glaciers melted, the land rebounded upward, lifting the fjord above sea level. Today, it's a 165-meter deep lake, surrounded by cliffs that rise like cathedral walls.
Now, my friends, you look off over here to the right-hand side of the boat, flowing off the high ledge up there on that plateau. You're going to see our most spectacular waterfall. Now, that waterfall up right there, it has a bit of a different name to it. And I can assure you, us here in Western Brook Pond had absolutely nothing to do with naming any of the waterfalls you've seen in here today. That waterfall right there is known as Pissing Mare Falls. And Pissing Mare Falls is actually the tallest freshwater free-flowing waterfall you'll find anywhere in eastern North America, coming in at 2,200 feet high. And now, some of you may have seen that famous picture of those hikers high up in the mountains and all of our Newfoundland tourism commercials.
These dramatic peaks trace a fault line formed when continents collided 400 million years ago. The result? A landscape that's both ancient and awe-inspiring. Our day at Western Brook Pond was stunning, clear, calm, and unforgettable. But the next day, a classic Newfoundland brewer. Calm weather brewing up cold wind and rain for the next day. Soak up the good days, because the next one might blow in sideways. Now the dance floor is down on the bow, if anybody's curious. Right down there. There was a river at the bird, the nest, and the nest, and the limb, and the limb, and the branch, and the branch, the tree, and the hole, and the hole, and the bog down in the valley, yo. Oh, the rapping bog down in the valley, yo. River bog, the rapping bog down in the valley, yo. The closest thing to a Newfoundland rap song you'll ever find. Spent 3 hours on her head. Friends are looking at me with that evil grin. Single-eyed racket must soon begin. Must have said something to the George Street Queen. The boys are joining in, and the old black drum's got a hold on me like a dog right around my leg. And the old black drum's
Now we got a spoon solo coming up. You ready? This is the spoon solo coming up right here. Big hand for the band. We've been practicing all week. We're actually going on tour soon. Tickets will be on sale to every Canadian Tire gas bar right across the country. Get them while you can.
Drink all of my money, slept out in the rain. Every day is different, but the nights are all the same. You never see the sun on the old black rum, and I know I'm gonna do
Who
it.
knows the words? Anybody?
And the old black rum's got a hold of me like a dog wrapped around my leg. And the old black rum's got a hold of me. Will I live for another day? Hey, will I live for another day?
That's it on fire. I'm going home, boys. That good. Good job.
Dog wrapped around my leg. And the old black rum's got a hold on me. Can I live for another day? Hey, I live for another day. Hey, I live for another day. 'Cause I drank 16 doubles for the price of one.
High five it. Good job, band. Good job.